Hi all, welcome back to OmniPLAY. Now today I'm going to introduce to you our very new series of our Bluetooth 5. Now it actually combines the technology of Bluetooth 5 with our sleek design of our another model, which is S2, right? So this is what we call TWS, which is True Wireless Sound on X8. Now look at this, the sleek design. By itself is actually a power bank, all right, for about 1000 mAh. Now from here you can actually plug in and then charge in and support your phone as well. So this power bank, this charger, mini charger box is able to actually act as a charger box for your earphone together as your phone. Now let me just open up and see the earbud. There it goes. It glows. So this is actually the black color design, all right, and I'm going to show you the gold design. Okay, you can just flip. Cool, right? This X8 design is actually being featured together with a fully automated system. So what do we mean by automated? Now look at this. When it's actually inside the charge box, right, the moment I actually take out, it's able to actually pair with the phone. So same thing, I got my Note 9 phone with me right now. I've just unpaired the earbud. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pair it again. Now I'm going to press scan on it. Okay, what I need to do is I just need to remove the earbud. Okay, and by removing the earbud, right, you'll be able to actually scan for the availability of this. Now there it goes. Okay, I click on it and it's connecting. Okay, now to show that it really is an automated system, what I would do again is I'm going to place it back, okay, into this charger box. I'm going to turn off my Bluetooth. Okay, now I'm going to turn my Bluetooth on again. It is actually not being connected. Look at the first one, the very first device. Okay, what I would do right now is that I'm going to remove this from the charger box, and you will be able to notice from here, okay, at the instance that you just automatically connect. I didn't even press on the phone. Okay, so this is actually a fully automated system. So the moment you actually remove the earbud from the charger box, it will automatically pair on its own. I don't even need to bother to actually press and do whatever buttons that it will be. Okay, and for information, the good thing about this pair of earbud is that the surface here is actually on a touch design, touch control. What do I mean by touch design, touch control? Basically, there is no button. All right, for other series of the earbuds, you can hear that when you press and press and press, it is basically on a button. You hear the click sound, right? But over here, there is no click at all. This is basically like a touch screen, you touch design. Okay. So I've just actually paired the earphone just now, which is so easy to pair in comparison to any other earphones that is actually being available in the market, right? Now I'm actually playing this video in here, okay, a YouTube video, to show that it's able to actually compatible to actually link up with the video, and is able to control from here. I just press, right, and it pause. I press over on the left hand side, okay, press and let go, and it play. So both sides of the audio is able to actually do the control of pause, play, right, even when you're wearing it on the phone, on your ear, naturally. Okay, there it goes. Okay, and naturally I'm able to actually make phone calls with this, as in the sense that when a call comes in, I'm able to press and hold and reject the call, answer the call, and so on and so forth. So let me just make a call in, and I will be able to show you the demonstration. And notice that the call is actually coming in. From here, any one of the earbud, left and right, I'm able to actually press and answer the call. Okay, Now I want to actually hang up the call. Naturally, what I need to do is I'll press, right, and it just hang up. Now, so let's say, for example, I call in again, okay, and when the phone rings, if I want to actually reject the call, let me just demo from the left earbud. What I need to do is I press and hold, and it just reject the call. Now, so a very natural question is that what about the sound quality? The sound quality, I can tell you that is actually amazingly good. Of course, I can't show you the sound quality without plugging into your ear, right? But the sound quality is actually superb. Okay, why do I say superb? In comparison to many other earbuds that I've actually tested, right? Because of the in-ear, right, in-canal design, right? It fits directly into your ear canal and is able to actually punch the bass directly inside and very well. And you know what? This design is actually waterproof and dustproof. Naturally, it's sweatproof. All right. Look, the YouTube video is actually still playing. So now what I do is that I have a cup of water with me, okay, to prove that it's actually on a waterproof design, a dustproof design, which is based on what we call IPx7, right? I'm going to drop this earbud right into the water. Look at the green light, it is still working, right? Working amazingly well. So I'm going to dip my fingers, bring it out. It's still working, right? Let me just put away the cup, bring my phone over here to show you. See, I pause, right, and play. I'm able to actually just still control it very, very, very well. All right. Of course, the best is actually to make the touch sensor much more sensitive. You can always clean it off, dry the water away, and it's able to actually control even much better. All right. Okay. Now about the package content, it actually comes with a USB cable as standard. It comes with a user manual guide. It actually gives you quite detailed information on the entire thing on use it. Okay, and it comes with the 6 different sizes of earbud. Okay, naturally by itself, it already comes with the earbud. Okay, and then I have 6 different more, whereby the one that is actually being prefixed is the biggest one, and then you have the medium one and the smallest, slim design, meant for smaller ear, right? Because it's actually in-ear, in-canal design. If those who want to wear it for sports, it comes with these ear clips that can fit nicely into this design. Let me just fit one of them in and then just show you how it works. Okay, I just can actually ring it over. Okay, and it snap and fit nicely into the earpiece. Okay, this is how it goes. So when you wear it, right, it just fits nicely. Hi guys, thanks for watching the video, and that's about this X8. And it's an amazing sound quality, amazing build quality, and the best thing is the moment you actually remove it, all right, from your earbud, your charger is able to automatically connect directly to your phone. You see, once I actually put it back, it actually turns it off.